tales on the Rua spine. Each step echoes in a time-worn line. The tram hums low through Alfama's bends. Lisbon breathes where the city never ends. Tiled walls sing stories to the sky. Fatal notes drift and then they fly. Through churches, through squares, through sunlight and air, a monument's gaze, it follows me there. Lisbon unfolds, a dream everywhere. The silence sways, arches dance like shadows in golden rays. Blame's tower stands, a sentinel's plea, watching the Tagus kiss the sea. Lanterns glow as the night begins, history wrapped in the city's skin. Through churches, through squares, through sunlight and air, a museum's voice whispers, take care. Lisbon unfolds.